What's up, friends? Always freaking amazing to see you. If you aren't one of my friends, I hope that you end up subscribing and becoming one of them. Now let's go ahead and jump on what this video is going to be about. So I got this sent from Influencer. It's called their VoxBox, and all they require is your honest opinion. And you know, with me, that's what you're gonna get. Sometimes a little too much honesty. Now here's the box that they sent me. And let's go ahead and open this sucker and see what I'm going to be reviewing today. So this is going to be by Pureology, and it's their color Fanatic. So it's a top coat plus tone, and I got the shade red. Here it is. This is $35 and you get 6.7 ounces. Now the shades that you can choose from is going to be purple, blue. I guess they have been out and those were the two shades they had. This is where the new shades come in that they just released. They have gold, copper, and red. I'm so stinking excited about reviewing this. I mean, come on, get to try this and you get to extend your coloring without all the damaging. I'm here for it. Now let's go ahead and talk about a few of the deets on this. It's supposed to prevent, of course, color fading. It's supposed to reduce brassiness, increase shine, and moisturizing. The products that are moisturizing in it is going to be oat milk and Camilla oil. And it says that this product is supposed to give you salon results. So it's supposed to extend your color brightness. It's not supposed to fade, or you can use it to extend your results from being colored at a salon or at home. Because personally, I do it at home. This color right here, I just recently dyed it. You can check the video out. It's a new system I tried, which I give 2 thumbs up on. Now the scent on this is supposed to be rose. Uh-oh, we all know I hate that. And it's supposed to be floral ginger and cedar wood. So I'm gonna go ahead and smell this because I hope I'm not getting rose. That's a really pretty shade. It's like candy apple. Now I'm not getting rose. It smells like kind of like a men's cologne. I like that a lot, and I don't know if that you'll be able, you know what, if I stain my hand, oh well, because I want you to see this. This is freaking gorgeous. It's like a fresh apple. Look at that. That is freaking pretty. If that was a shade or lipstick, I would want that. Now, their directions is going to be a little different than what I'm going to do. I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do because it seemed a little weird. Put it zigzag, comb it through. I don't got time for that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shampoo. I rinse out the excess water. Then I'm going to sit there, apply this. I'm going to leave it on for the full 10 minutes. They said between 5 and 10 minutes. I want to make sure I'm getting the most bang for my buck. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and rinse it off. I would usually follow with an extra conditioning treatment, but I want to see the moisturizer in this. So I'm going to skip that. So I'm going to go ahead and hop off, rinse this off. So hopefully it doesn't stain. And the other thing I'm going to do, I don't want stained hands, so I am going to wear gloves just to be safe because I don't want to come on here with red hands. Caught you red-handed. See you in a few. Okay, I am back. As you can see, my hair color has changed, and I'm going to get the details if I like it or not, but I want to explain the process. So I hopped in the shower. Like I said, I shampooed my hair with gloves on so I didn't have to deal with putting it on with wet hands of doing this treatment. So after I was done shampooing, I rinsed it out, squeezed out any extra water that was in my hair. Then I added 2 quarter-size amounts of this product, and I just added it little by little. So the first quarter size, and then I added another quarter size because I have really long hair, and for thin hair it likes to soak up a lot of product. So I wanted to make sure everything was covered, and I added it from here down to my ends. I let it sit for 10 minutes. I was thinking about hopping out of the shower and doing other things while it was sitting on my hair, and I'm so glad I did not. I stayed in the shower because for some reason it was running down and I could see it running all over my body. Thank God it did not stain. But if I was out walking about, I would have stained my whole entire house. That's how runny it was. I'm used to using the Color conditioner and that pretty much stays put. This did not. It has a thinner consistency. But like I said, I stayed in the shower, so it was sitting on for about 10 minutes. It was 9-10 minutes, give around there. So I shaved, I exfoliated, I did everything to make sure I was in there because I didn't want to stand in the cold. And when I rinsed it out, I just rinsed it. I did not use any conditioner. But what I did right before, this is the secret, okay? Remember this. I learned this when I was coloring my hair. Right before I rinsed it out, I added another quarter size to my hand. I added some water to it, added it, and then I just massaged it in my head for about a minute. And it was nice and wet. My hair was really juicy. I know some people don't like that word. I like it. But I pretty much massaged it for about a minute. Then I rinsed it completely out, and this is the results that I got. Now, am I happy with it? Even though that it was more runny, it got everywhere. Guys, I'm really, really happy with the results I got. Look at this. I have never been so happy with my hair with a product yet. To date, as we're sitting here right now, I have not been happier. My hair is so saturated in color. The shine that I have. My hair has never looked this healthy. I am so stoked. When I run out of this, I will run to the store. This replaced my color conditioner. So the Color, this smoked it. It wasn't even a close race. If I was rating it from 1 to 10, I would say the Color was about a 7. This was a 10. If I could go higher, it would be a 15 out of 10. That's how much I love this product. And for $35, I don't think that's bad. You're going to get a lot of uses because I probably, using that up this, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like 10 uses estimated for how much I was using. But are you kidding me? I was so scared. After I colored my hair, I was really happy with the color. I was so scared of fucking it up with this product, but it just amped up my results and I'm even happier with it now. I am so glad I gave this a try because it is freaking amazing. I mean, the shine on my hair, it makes it look extremely healthy, which my hair tends to be dry and it looks crispy. So I do everything I can to make it look this healthy. I did not even add any conditioner. That, if I use a different product and don't use conditioner, my hair will look like straw. It will look like crap. And look at this. To say this is the best my hair has ever looked in my life is a big freaking deal because I'm not a spring chicken. But to say my rating system, definitely 2 thumbs up. I know you saw that coming with how I'm raving about it. And this is the product that I'm going to be buying and using. I am not going to be using my Color anymore. Like I said, this smoked it. It wasn't even a fair race. Absolutely amazing. Just stay in your shower. I'm telling you, you don't want that mess. Okay, we made it to the end of the video. If you stuck around, you guys are fucking awesome and I love you to pieces. Let's go ahead and grab Sugar Bear and do fur baby time. Come here, Shuggy. Scoot back so you don't want to be that close to me now. Shuggy, you're gonna say bye to all our friends? Say bye. She sends you all the kisses and hugs your way. I love you to pieces and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye, guys.